Hi peaceful tribe, welcome to another video. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make juicy kinky twists like so. I'm also going to be teaching you how to use it to retain length and to aid your hair growth. Also, I'm going to be teaching you some techniques to use while installing your mini twist, the do's and don'ts, and the way to achieve your kinky twist, not your regular twist. There are different kinds of twists. I'm also going to be letting you know the different kinds of twists and how to achieve each and every one of them. Mini twists are great protective hairstyle, especially when you are aiming for hair growth and hair retention. They help to absorb moisture, to retain length, and a lot. So I'm going to be teaching you how to install those twists without wasting much time. Let's go straight to today's video. You're going to make sure to start with freshly washed hair and make sure to moisturize your hair using water, leave-in conditioner, shea butter, hair growth oil, whatever you use to moisturize your hair. Now I'm going ahead to just section my hair into 6 parts. What I do is that I go from crown to crown at the front and then from ear to ear at the back, making me have 6 different sections. That way I feel it's easier to work with, so that if you even get tired you can just rest and then know where you're going to continue from. Especially if this is your first time of making twists, or if you're a beginner at mini twists, you want to make sure to do something like this. If you can't work with 6, then you can work with 4. Next thing I'm going to do is to take one section. I'm starting from the back, but you can start at the front, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead to use water and then leave-in conditioner to get it moisturized and damp. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm aiming for a kinky twist, and when you want to do kinky twist, you want to make sure your hair is quite damp. It's going to help your hair bounce and give you that kinky nature. First thing you have to note is that while making mini twists, if you're a beginner, just start with mini braids to secure your hair and to make it firm. Now kindly note that when you are doing kinky twist, you don't go with the left hand method, you go with the right hand method. If you go with the left hand method, you're going to achieve Senegalese twist and not kinky twist. There are different kinds of twists. There are flat twists, there are mini twists, there are micro twists, there are Senegalese twists, 3-strand twists and 2-strand twists. What we are doing here is 2-strand twist but kinky twist. So this way, when you do it this way, your hair is going to bounce and it's going to have that kinky nature. You don't have to add any extension to achieve this. Your hair can do this if your hair is natural and not relaxed, okay? Now that you have done that, you want to go ahead to continue the same process with the others. Just do as I am doing in this video. Watch this video and practice exactly how I am doing it. One of the things you have to watch out for while making mini twists is not borrowing hair. You might be wondering what this means. It means that if you have 2 chunks of hair to twist, and while you are twisting along the way, one of them gets finished, please do not borrow hair from the other one to continue. Just stop your twist there and twirl at the end using a conditioner or a styling cream. You don't have to borrow hair. The reason why this is important is because when you want to take down your hair, if you borrowed hair to make your twist, it's going to be hard for you to lose and detangle, making your hair shed out and break at the tip, okay? Also, it's going to make you have a lot of knots, and it's going to make you lose all the hair you must have grown throughout the period that you kept your mini twist. Now I'm currently at the front. I'm just going to go in with water, leave-in conditioner again. My hair is high porosity, so it tends to get very dry and thirsty. But if your hair is low porosity, your hair might still be wet, especially if you are just coming out from the shower or if you're just coming out from your wash day. And what I'm doing next is something that not everyone knows, but it's a hack. And what it simply is that you part your hair and braid out the sections, like braid it. Just braid it first before you twist. I'm going to show you what I did. Make sure to just part it in small sections, whatever way you want to section your hair, whether smaller than this or bigger than this. Yeah, depending on the volume of your hair or the thickness of your hair. Now, as you can see, I just went ahead to braid it. This way you're going to be fast with your twist. You don't have to bother about sectioning your hair or parting your hair anymore. You just go straight forward to twist. Also note that you don't really have to braid your hair at the root. If you are good with mini twist already, you can just start twisting from the root, but the aim is to have something very firm, not tight. If you are aiming for hair growth, you want to stay away from tight hairstyles. Make sure that your hair is firm and not tight. There's a difference between firmness and tightness. If your hair is tight, it's going to be hard for you to lose your hair and your hair is going to shed off and break. But if your hair is firm, it means that your hair is going to stay that way until you loosen the hair. Note that the time to keep mini twists varies with different people. For me, in the next 1 week, 2 weeks, this is going to be very old and it's going to not look new, so I might have to renew it or take it down. For some other persons, it might last longer, and for some other persons it might not even last few days, depending on how you make the twist or how your hair texture is. Also, when you make mini twists, you have to go in to moisturize your hair 2 to 3 times in a week. If you are keeping the hair for 2 weeks, it means that you have either 4 or 6 times to moisturize your hair. If you are keeping it for just 1 week, you have 2 or 3 times to moisturize your hair. The reason why this is important is because mini twists will help you retain moisture and length. So you want to make sure to also always moisturize the twists and make sure that they are not dry. If your twists are dry, when you are taking them down, your hair is going to shed off, your hair is going to break. Right now I'm done with my twist, and what I'm doing is just using shea butter for my tips. If you do not have shea butter, you can work with any butter, you can work with any hair growth oil, especially for your scalp. My scalp is already moisturized, that's why I didn't go ahead to moisturize my scalp. But make sure to moisturize your scalp using oils and make sure you're hydrated, queens. Also drink a lot of water because our hair is always thirsty and your hair growth starts from within. So make sure to eat healthy and drink lots of water. Your hair will need it. Now we are done. Yes, this is how my hair looks. You can see how kinky is looking. Someone would think that my hair is short, but when I stretch it out, this is how my hair looks. Thank you so much. I hope that you've learned something, and if you have, kindly give this video a like, share and subscribe if this is your first time here. Also make sure to drop all your questions or your suggestions in the comment section. I'll be looking out for them and I'll reply. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.